atomic structure, and the lecture is taken by TEK'S online tutorial. TEK'S online tutorial. Atomic structure. What is atomic structure? Atomic structure refers to the arrangement of particles within an atom. Atomic structure refers to the arrangement of particles within an atom. The concept of atomic structure revolves around understanding the fundamental particles of matter, which are the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons, and how they arrange and interact within an atom. These particles defines the chemical and physical properties of elements and how they interact with other atoms in a chemical reaction. Here is a detailed breakdown. The atom. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains the chemical properties of that element. Let me say that again. An atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains the chemical properties of that element. In the periodic table, all the elements in the periodic table are called atoms because they retain the chemical properties of that element. Atoms consist of three primary subatomic particles. Atoms consist of three primary subatomic particles. They are the protons, the electrons, and the neutrons. They are the protons, the electrons, and the neutrons. The charge. Positively charged particles are found in the nucleus. Positively charged particles are found in the nucleus. The neutrons are neutrally charged particles found in the nucleus and they have no charge. The electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus in energy levels or shells. The electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus in energy levels or shells. Subatomic particles. One is the protons. The protons is the positively charged particle and the mass of protons is approximately 1 atomic mass unit, that is AMU. And the protons is located in the nucleus, that is the center of the atom. The number of protons in an atom determines the atomic number, which uniquely defines or identifies an element. So the number of protons is also known as the atomic number. For example, all carbon atoms have 6 protons. So the atomic number of carbon is 6. The neutrons, they are the neutral charged particles, right? And the mass of neutrons are similar to the protons, about 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit, right? And the neutron is also located in the nucleus. The neutrons has no electrical charge, that is, it is neutral and has a mass slightly greater than that of a protons. An atom of the same element may have different number of protons, resulting in different isotopes. So what is isotopes? Isotopes is elements having the same atomic mass but different mass number. The same atomic number but different mass number. 3 is electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles and the mass of electrons is much smaller than that of the protons and the neutrons. And it is roughly 1 over 1836 the mass of a protons. Electrons are involved in the chemical bonding and reactions. Electrons are involved in chemical bonding and reactions. The behavior of electrons, that is particularly in the outermost shell, determines the properties of an atom. The behavior of electrons, particularly in the outermost shell, determines the chemical properties of an atom.